one-off cars arriving every day. I've never seen one quite like this, and that is in its colour and its interior colour. Tartufo extended merino individual leather, which is magnificent, in this Brooklyn grey new model 30D M Sport xDrive X5. Look at that. What an interior colour. This car is magnificent. It's a one-off. I've never seen it. That individual extended merino leather is beautiful. Then it's got tech pack, head-up display, Harman Kardon, comfort pack, heated wheel, heated and cooled cup holders, heated rear seats, heated front seat. Then it looks like this. What a great looking four-wheel drive. 350 brake horsepower from this 30D M Sport, which is an 8-speed auto, all-wheel drive, great driver, great noise from this diesel engine. And the new model, so M Sport Pro dechroming the car, which looks magnificent, the new arrow-shaped lights. Then we've got the 22-inch wheels, again, bi-colour, blue calipers. It looks stunning. I'm sure this car's going to sell straight away. It is a beautiful price, honestly. If you're looking for a four-wheel drive, the X5 ticks all the boxes because it's a great driver. It looks great. It's super modern inside. And this one's just a little bit special because of that. M Sport Pro giving you the tricolour in the seat belts. This one's got comfort pack, so heated rear seats, Sky Lounge sunroof. It's a wonderful, wonderful four-wheel drive, 2023. It's also got a feature that you don't get very often on these, and you know, this car is just a real one-off. The extending electric deployable tow bar from factory. How about that? So if you're going to pull something, that's a big option. It looks like it's never been used to me. To the rear, this new model X5, the bulbous LED arrow-shaped lights matching the front. The black tailpipes from the M Sport Pro. Just a great looking car, isn't it? Now the colour's Brooklyn grey. That is a metallic grey colour, but looks flat and it looks beautiful. Roof rails in gloss black, high gloss shadow line, which is the black window surrounds, and then just stunning condition throughout. Full service history, 2023. Wonderful car. Give me a call straight away. If you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, you cannot buy this car in this colour combination anywhere else for this price. It's really important to note. So this car's got tech pack. So we've got the Harman Kardon. It's also got electric memory seats. Look at that interior colour in the seats in this car. Extended leather, so into the door cards and everywhere. Switchable ambient light. The new iDrive 8 system, so the big curvature display, head up. Now, big chunky steering wheel in the M Sport cars. Then we've got heated and cooled cup holders just down here, wireless phone charging here, the short shift gearbox giving you reverse camera with front and rear sensors, heated front seat and rear seat, and the heated wheel, which is just there. You can get into it. I think I've got to go into the other settings, but it has got the heated steering wheel. So many technologically advanced features in this car. You can play around with it for ages. Wireless smartphone charging. iDrive system, all easy to use, different drive modes here. Look at the ambient light that runs through that dash, and then the Sky Lounge roof. This is an unbelievable car for the money. Give me a call straight away. It's just a great colour combination. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Thanks for watching.